The NHS Innovation Challenge Prizes have been developed to encourage, recognise and reward healthcare innovation in some of the most difficult areas of healthcare delivery. What's different about our programme is that we set our challenges out in advance.
What we're hoping for is that the prize will make a contribution to changing the culture within the NHS, to make people realise, and by people I mean people who work throughout the system, make them realise that it's okay to innovate.
Innovation has never been more important because we're meeting rising demands all the time. We have to find better ways of doing things within the resources we've got. And the world is moving on, and the world outside is moving on, and new technologies, new ideas, new ways of working are becoming available in other sectors of the economy. We need to think about how we can apply those to the NHS to do an even better job.
I think the single biggest thing that the NHS can do to help spread innovation is doing what we're doing in the prize right now, which is to recognize and make transparent innovation practice that has already been proven. So this prize is all around making sure that we can help identify those excellent examples and make them widely known. And if we do that, then the prize has been successful, and if the prize has been successful, the NHS benefits, and if the NHS benefits, effectively everyone who's involved in the NHS, both the end users and the participants, all benefit.
I think the biggest benefit of the programme is that it raises the profile of innovation in the NHS. It encourages people to think about how they're going about changing practice, about how they're spreading change in the NHS. And so the real benefit should be that actually there's a profile associated with it and people feel excited. What we're hearing is people are excited just to be shortlisted, let alone whether they'll actually win a prize that they can then invest in actually taking the innovation forward.
I think what's impressed me has been the enthusiasm of the applicants to present what they've achieved, and the creativity of their ideas and how they've set about meeting the challenge.
The things that have most impressed me about the applicants so far are two things. First, there's tremendous passion inside the NHS, and you see that come through the applications. People care about the work that they do. They're perpetually trying to do better at the work that is before them, and they're trying to make a difference. So that passion really comes out. The second is the diversity of ideas that are within the NHS. Just in the few applications that I've been able to review, I've seen ideas I've never thought about, areas I've never been able to consider improvement in, and you know, people are trying to work on those things every day.
I think the main piece of advice I give to future applicants is to not be afraid to put in your application. Do discuss it with the core team and see if they think it's eligible, and also to make a plea to nurses, allied health professions and the wider arena of professionals in the NHS. This is not just orientated towards clinicians.
When applying for an NHS Challenge Prize, I think it causes one to reflect on the whole process that you went through and really sort of critically appraise what you've learned from the process, and did you really make a difference? Was your approach the most effective? And I think for me it helped me to acknowledge really the enormous input from the rest of the region and how we have to rely on the whole team approach to bring about change.
I think the biggest benefit of the Innovation Prize Challenge programme is the difference it will make to bringing forward new ideas about improving patient care. It's the patient here that's going to make most difference.
My advice to future applicants is go for it.